Hello and welcome back to your own channel, Be Free Academics. My name is Toophan Kumar and I am starting a new lesson today for class 12. This is integrations. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you are a student who is reading differentiation, then you should know only after completing the lesson differentiation you can start integration. Okay, without completing that lesson you cannot start integration because you will not understand anything. If you are a student who has completed differentiation already, you are welcome to watch the video. Otherwise, you can just stop the video, and when you complete your lesson differentiation, then you can come back and watch this video. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let us start with the basic formula. Let us just say you have a function x to the power 4, okay, and you want to do differentiation of this function. So differentiation, as you remember, you know already, differentiation is 4x to the power 3. How did you do? You followed this formula. See, x to the power n, differentiation, when you are doing differentiation, you simply put the power n first of all, and after that x to the power, you reduce the power by 1, that is n minus 1. So this is the formula that you follow for doing differentiation, right? Now, what happens when you want to do integration? Okay, what is the general formula for integration? So let us say we have a function x to the power n and we want to do integration of this function. Okay, so the general formula for doing integration is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, it is very simple. You just have to raise the power by 1, and with that power, that same number will be the denominator. That's it. For example, let us say you have a function, that same function x to the power 4, and you want to do integration. Okay, so it will be like this: x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. That's it. So you have x to the power 5 by 5. This is the answer. It's very simple. So let us say you have x to the power 7 and you want to do integration of this function. Okay, so it will go like this: x to the power 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1, that is x to the power 8 by 8, or you can write like this: 1 by 8 x to the power 8. Answer. Okay, similarly, let us say you have x squared and you want to do integration of this function. So it will be like this: x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, x to the power 3 by 3. This is your answer. Very simple. Okay, so what happens if we have a constant? So when you have constant while doing differentiation, then you have 0. The value, the differentiation of a constant function is 0. But in integration it is a little bit different. Okay, this is a, and we want to do differentiation of this function. Okay, so what we do is we just take out the constant function outside of integration. So it is like this: a integration dx. Okay, now integration of dx is x. So you have ax. That's your answer. Okay, so this is the basic of integration. Now I will just teach you all the formula which are required for doing integration. Okay, so first of all, here this side differentiation and that side they are integration. Okay, so differentiation of x is dx by dx. It will give us 1. Different integration of x. Integration of x is x squared by 2. Okay, then differentiation of a constant function 0. Differentiation of a constant function, you will follow like this: take the constant outside, then integration dx. Now integration of dx is x, so you have a dot x, that is ax. Okay, after that here differentiation of ax, so you will proceed like this. A will be outside, dx by dx, dx by dx gives us 1, so a dot 1 is a. Okay, now here integration of ax, you will follow like this. A will be outside, x will be inside of integration, so x dx, and it will be like this, a dot x square by 2. So basically you have here ax square by 2. That's it. Now differentiation of x to the power n. X to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. Similarly, integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That's it. It's very simple, not a problem. I mean, you should not have a doubt at all. Now one more thing I want to tell you, while doing integration, we will always put a constant at the last. Okay, literally c. So at the last like this. Okay, it will be like this. So any integration you are doing, there will be a constant at the last always. Okay, why it comes, I'll tell you later when I'm teaching you the lesson. Okay, for now you just remember that there will be a constant at the last of every integration. Okay, now other formulas. The differentiation of u plus minus v function. U and v are two different functions. So how do you differentiate is differentiation of u plus minus differentiation of v. That's it. And in multiplication form, what you do is differentiation of u into v plus differentiation of v into u. Now in division form, you have differentiation of u dot v minus differentiation of v dot u divided by b square, like this. And in integration, same thing, plus minus u plus minus b is there, then you will do like this, integration of u plus minus integration of b. That's it. And for division and multiplication, these two formulas are long formula and they are a little complicated. Okay, so I will teach you these two formulas when I start the lesson. Okay, while reading the lesson, I will teach you these two formulas. Next we have root x. Now the differentiation of root x. Root x is nothing but if you talk about root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2, right? So the differentiation will be like this, half x to the power half minus 1. Okay, so it will be half x to the power 202 and subtract 1, that is minus 1 by 2. Now this minus will be changed into plus if we put 1 by like this, so it will be 1 by x to the power 1 by 2, and x to the power 1 by 2 is root x, so simply we have here 2 root x. Basically the differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, now integration of root x, same thing we will follow here also. So root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. Now according to the rules of integration, we will raise the power by 1 and write the same thing in denominator. Okay, so we have here x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and this 3 by 2 I'll just take it here. Okay, so if it goes like that, it will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. So this is the integration for root x, 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. Now next, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Same, integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. That's it. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Now here you can clearly see that these two, integration and differentiation, are connected. That's why I told you, if you don't know differentiation, you cannot learn integration. Next formula, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. And differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec into cot. Now the integration, it will be just opposite of differentiation. Okay, so integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Okay, then integration of sec square x is tan x. Integration of cosec into cot is minus cosec. Okay, further, differentiation of sec x is sec into tan. Differentiation of cot is minus cosec square x. Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root under 1 minus x square. Differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by 1 minus root under 1 minus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now the integration. See, sec integration of sec into tan, it is sec x. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Integration of 1 by root under 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square is minus cos inverse x. Okay, so these two formulas are same. We will use it depending upon the situation. And then integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. That's it. These are the basic formulas for integration. Okay, first of all you have to memorize these all. This two is a homework. I will not solve it today. In the next class I will solve, but meanwhile you have to try by yourself to solve these two questions. Okay, and let me know in the comment if you could solve the questions or not. Thank you so much for watching this video.